Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make a full page screenshot with Xiaomi Redmi 11 Pro. And to do this you will need to open any app that allows you to scroll down. In this case, let's go for the settings. Now make sure you're on top of the page and make a screenshot combination. There's a few options which I'm going to show you in a second, but most basic one is to press the power key and the volume down key. That way we'll make a screenshot. Now select the scroll option and it should begin scrolling down the entire page. You can click on done when you're satisfied with the amount of screenshot. But in this case, let's go to the bottom and click on agree at the end and save the screenshot with the top right button. Now to different options for screenshot combination, you can go for additional settings in your phone, enter gestures and shortcuts, and right here there's the take a screenshot feature. Enable both of them. So we have volume down plus power key, which I use to make a screenshot, and another one is slide 3 fingers. So let's go back to the settings and try to use it. And here we have a scroll again, but in this case let's stop right here and save the screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.